Our LED courtesy light kits provide better light output than conventional bulbs and can change the internal look of your car.
Within the kit are LED bulbs for the following, if fitted in your car: front courtesy light, rear courtesy light, vanity mirrors, glove box, and boot light. They are available in a range of colors, including warm white, ice white, ice blue, blue, orange, red, green, pink. The bulb kits are a direct replacement for your existing bulbs, so there is no installation required. Simply remove the old bulbs and pop the new ones in to begin using straight away. The complete kit is only £32 including UK postage and packing. Visit our website or scan the QR code to order yours today.